Well, that is right. Basically, the Supreme Court here is saying that we cannot stay the order. However, considering the fact that the Supreme Court has decided that they will hear the appeal petition of the Uddhav Thackeray camp, so basically it can be seen as a balance for both the sides. That is the Uddhav Thackeray camp as well as at the CM Shinde camp, because the Supreme Court is also saying that the CM Shinde camp cannot initiate any kind of coercive or precipitative.
But Harish Nair has just sent an update. Going by that, it says that no stay on taking over of offices, etc. Which means that if the Shinde camp wants, it can continue on its spree to take over offices because the name and symbol is now with them. Nilashish, this is big.
Pranesh, yes, there is no official stay, but of course, as Arunil was also pointing out, the order is also based on an undertaking from Eknath Shinde's camp that there will be no precipitative action. But yes, as far as Uddhav Thackeray's camp is concerned, they had pressed for a stay, saying that later the Eknath Shinde camp could say that we are the party and we will take action as we wish. In that light, of course, a stay order was not passed, but a notice was issued and a statement was taken on record, which was made by Neeraj Kishan Kaul, who is a lawyer for Eknath Shinde, saying that there will be no action. We do not plan to take any action with regard to disqualification or issue a whip or a letter. So that is an element which will give a little relief to Uddhav Thackeray's camp. But the fact is that there is no official stay, and the Supreme Court has refused to pass any stay orders with regard to the plea that was made for interim relief by Kapil Sibal.
And if you see the kind of reaction that we saw from the Shinde camp when the EC came out with its order, they said that this is the victory of truth. Truth has triumphed. In as many words, this was the first comment, and now this setback to the Uddhav Thackeray is a big thing because the Shinde camp gets 2 weeks. The Election Commission of India also gets 2 weeks. Radhika.
Yes, certainly. As far as Eknath Shinde camp is concerned, they've been time and again saying that this is the victory of truth. They have triumphed and finally justice has been served. This is something that they had been saying ever since Election Commission's order had come out. But despite that, Uddhav Thackeray group had been time and again saying that ECI has been compromised. So they will continue to say that, of course, there is no stay order. They had some sort of faith in the judiciary. However, the court has refused to give any sort of stay order. However, the allegations and counter-allegations will certainly continue because Uddhav group has been maintaining that Election Commission had been working under the behest of the BJP, of the centre, and that they did not take the whole numbers into account. They only took the legislative, members or the elected representatives' numbers into account, and that they did not wait till the disqualification plea was decided. So therefore, the reactions as far as Uddhav Thackeray group is concerned will continue. They will continue to make allegations against the Election Commission of India despite the order by the Supreme Court. Of course, the only relief here is that no precipitative action can be taken by the Shinde group against the Uddhav group in terms of disqualification and so on, simply because disqualification plea is something that is pending before the Supreme Court. But as of now, no relief as far as a stay order is concerned, no stay on ECI's order.
That's right. Stay with us. Legal editor Harish Nair will be joining us any second. Let me quickly recap this for our viewers who are joining this broadcast on Times Now. The fastest updates from the Supreme Court. Sena symbol hearing in the Supreme Court.